Today we study about the computer formatting test, in which we study about Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word, the first topic is indenting. Of paragraph is the operation in which we indent or change position of paragraph by clicking on button given on home toolbar. There it is. Okay. There is a two types of indent button. There is a decrease indent button, and the increase indent button. When we click on the like this is a paragraph. We select the paragraph and just click on the increase indent button. When we increase the position of the paragraph changes to the right side of the page. If we decrease the button, click on the decrease indent button, then the paragraph is coming to the left side of the page. These are two types of using different type of font type. In the to change the language or font of the text and paragraph, we use the font type. There is a option here. There is a different types of font. If we select the text like that to change the language of font, if we change the font of the, then click on the that button and just change the. Whenever we click on, we just upon the font, then it will changes to the that font. Like that, it changes to that font, and there is a Algerian. There is different kind of Ahmed, the Queen, in which we want to change just change to that color by click on the time. Like that, this changes to the that button. Okay, then again changes to the original. After that, we study about the font size. In font size, we increase or decrease the font size. Like that, there is a 18 size. If we change the size of 8, then the font of the text is the smaller size, 11, 12. Just show the what size you want, then the click on that button. If we want 22, then size is increases. If we want 8, then size is decreases. Normal size is 12, 18. Just as our need, we just click on that button. After that, we study over the underline of the text or paragraph. If we want to underline something, then click on just select the text, and there is an option of underline. There is a U upon underline. Then click on the red button. Then the whole text is underlined. If you want to convert to normal version, then deselect the underline button. After that, we just study about the bold. Bold is to just something to highlight the text and to make the text bold. To highlight something in a paragraph or the text, single text or a whole paragraph or whole line. Just click on there is a bold button. Then click on the bold button. The whole text is highlighted. Okay. Then if we want to convert into the again to normal, then click on the unselect the bold button. If you want to only select one text, then only one text is converted to the bold, and after that if you correct to the normal, then click on the unbold button. After that, we study the italics. Italics is a button to italize and incline any text or whole paragraph. Just select the word or the whole sentence and click on the italics. There is an option I. Click on the italics, then the whole the text is inclined. After we deselect the button, there is an inclined button. If we deselect the button by selecting the button, the inclined is off. After that, we study about the inserting of paragraph bullet number. If we want to insert bullet, if we want to enter any number bullet, then we just select the two paragraph, and there is an option. There is an option of numbering. Then click on the numbering. The whole paragraph is from the number 1 to. If you want to point or bold bullets, then we select on the bullets. There is a bullets on the paragraph. We deselect the button and it's converted to the normal text. Okay. After that, we study about the center, right, and left justification. Left and justification. There is a option in the toolbar. There is the right align text to left, right, center, right, and justification. ठीक है. Justification In this operation, we select the item or paragraph, and just if we track to center, then whole paragraph is in the center. The center is the main focus. If we select on the left right side, line ties to the right, then the whole text is starting from the right, and there is a mismatch in the left side. If we select the left side, align text left, then the whole text is from the left side. If it's justification, then select the justification. The the space between the all the text are same, and all the element will be started from the left to right is equal. There is a equal line from the left side and the right side. If we select the left, and the words are from up and down. There is a single line. Okay, after that we study about the line spacing of the paragraph. There is an option line spacing of the paragraph. Just there is an option line spacing, line and paragraph spacing. In this operation, we select the whole item or a single paragraph or a single line or a single button. If we select the item from that, and we spacing as we want to 1, then there's a spacing between the text are 1, like if 1.5, the space between 1.5 1.5 2, different types of option. Okay, there is a line spacing option also. In this line spacing option, there is a option line spacing is a single 1.5 lines. If we select it will show here how much the distance between the spacing between the text or word lines. There 1.5 and double, at least इतना, मतलब इतना होना चाहिए at least, exactly what we want, exactly होना चाहिए, मतलब कि exactly कितना हो जाए. मल्टीपल में as our need we select the 3.5 4.5 5.5, as our need 7.5. Just I will show you of double. If we select the double, then okay, then the distance without the spacing between the lines are double. If we select 1.0, if we select the line spacing option and then click on the exact, then the whole paragraph is of exact spacing. If we select the line spacing option and we select the at least, then the whole paragraph space is at least or normal. After that we study about the setting of left and right margin. There is a left and right margin. The margin is the the margins are the distance between the page and the text from left side, right side, and upside and outside. Click on the page layout. Click on the page layout at the main toolbar. Then click on the margin and select according to your need. There is also option of custom margin. Just select on the margin, normal margin, narrow margin, or moderate margin, wide margin, mirror margin, or custom margin. You select moderate. The distance between the there is a distance between the page and the text is greater. If narrow, the distance between the text and the page is narrow. Okay. After that, there is an option also a custom margin. In custom margin, we select according to top, how much from the top we want, and how much bottom from we want, and from left and from right also, and left. Okay, and we select the button. There is an option of orientation, landscape or portrait. Now this is portrait. If we select the custom margin and convert it to the landscape, then click on the OK button. Then the whole text is on the portrait mode, landscape mode. Landscape mode. If we select the convert into the portrait, then custom margin, then click the portrait and click on the OK button. After margin, we start our study about the subscript and superscript. Okay, in superscript subscript, this option is smaller to convert or change the text in the smaller size. In this subscript appears at the below of the baseline, while superscript is above the baseline. These options subscript and superscript. If we select like this, select the dash text and click on the subscript, then the smaller size and below the baseline. If we select the text and click on the superscript, the text is converted into the above the superscript above the baseline. With this select the item, click on that again, then the convert to a normal size. In change case, to change all text or all paragraph to uppercase, lowercase, other capitalization. In this option, if we want to change the case of the, click on the change case option and we use lowercase, then the whole word of the whole letter of the paragraph is changes to a lowercase. If we use uppercase, the whole letter of the converted into the uppercase. If a capital, each word have first letter converted into capital and other are in lowercase. If we toggle case, then the multiple words are in uppercase and multiple words are in lowercase. Mainly we use sentence case. Okay, after that we study about the page numbering, header, footer. In insert button there is an option of header and footer, page number. In page number, select the top of the page, bottom of the page margin. We if we select on the bottom of the page, then click on the bottom of the page and click on the pillar number 3 and we accent bar. As our need, we select on that type of the button and close the header and footer. Then all the page numbers are listing on all the page. Okay, after that, if we don't want a page number, then click on the page number and remove the page number. If want a heading in all pages, then click on that type of that what we want as a heading, then click on the header that time and click heading, click like we write the some heading Google, then click on the close or we want a footer, we click on the footer. Okay, we want page number also with footer, then click on alphabet, click on that button, enter text what we want as a footer, then click on like page PT, then the text are open, page number also, and close the header and footer. Then the all page the header and footer are showing. If we did not want the header and footer, click on the insert button, click on the header or footer, remove the footer, click on the header and remove the header. Okay, after that we study about the symbols. In symbols, to insert that symbol that are not present in our keyboard. Okay, like we use pi, ohm, beta, root, where we want to click on that position and just click on that symbol that we want. There is also option of more symbols. There are many kind of symbols are there. Okay, click insert button when what we want like that. There is not insert button. Okay, insert, close the button. The symbols are inserted. Okay, after that we big space, we don't not want these symbols. After that we study about the insertion of table. In insertion of table where we want the table, just click on that and click on insert and click on table. That what we want 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 6 by 6, 4 by 4, 4 by 4. That's why 4 by 3, 4 by 4. Click on that button. If you want to larger the size, then click on one corner, just stretching out, and the table is bigger than of the. If you want a first row or column in smaller with small distance, click on just click and just select and just like that we just smaller or larger the distance between the rows and columns. Okay, after that we also study about the paragraph setting. In paragraph setting, there is an option paragraph, there is an option small option paragraph setting. This item indentation, general or spacing, we study our spacing earlier. After that indentation, in his indentation there is a spatial. In his spatial there is a none. Right now there is a null. Okay, if we select the item, or if we don't select item, then the whole whole document is converted to data spatial in the first line. In the first line, if we, the first line starting, we select OK, then the first line starting from some distance of the margin. Okay, if we select hanging, then the first line starting from the margin and other are from the some distance. If we mainly we use first line or none. Okay, thank you, bye.